What is this plant? It has come up in my flower bed. And this is from Natalie in East Memphis. Dr. Kelly, we know what that is, don't we?
Yeah, that's what
Mr.
we
D
call.
might know what
Yeah,
that is.
that's what we call a spider lily.
Spider lily.
It's
okay.
in the genus Lycoris, and it's called Naked Lady, Resurrection Lily, and they're blooming now.
Right. Right.
You know, and their foliage comes up in early spring, and then is gone by late spring, and then that's why it's a surprise. You know, all of a sudden you've got no foliage. And all of a sudden, this little stalk comes up, and this pretty little spider-looking lily comes out. So they're very popular as a fall bloomer bulb. So that's what it is, bulb. Yeah, they're bulb.
Right.
Lycoris, or
Lycoris.
fall spider lily, red spider lily. Yeah.
They are pretty. I've seen it, you know, all throughout town.
You need more than one,
All
though.
over my yard.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
you
got
got
a
them
whole
over
cluster of them.
Surprise lily.
Surprise
Yeah.
lilies. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.